We'll guide you through how to make reverse transition in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create smooth and visually appealing reverse transitions without needing advanced editing skills. Many beginners use Wondershare Filmora and look for simple, step-by-step guidance to achieve professional-looking effects, improve video quality, and make their content more engaging for social media or personal projects. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can begin the editing process without interruptions. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface fully loads on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and start with a clean workspace. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project properly. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to apply the settings. Next, click Import, select 2 videos to use, then click Open to bring them into the media library. Drag and drop the imported videos into the timeline section so you can start editing them. Then, select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format for consistency. Zoom in on the timeline to make editing easier and more precise. Then, cut and delete the unnecessary part of the first video to keep only the desired section. Duplicate the remaining part of the video, then arrange it properly on the timeline. Right-click on the clip, then select Reverse to create a backward motion effect. Right-click again, choose Create Compound Clip, then rename it, for example, to Clip 1. Then click OK to keep your timeline organized. Select the clip, then go to the Speed panel and choose Speed Ramping to adjust the motion speed. You can customize it, but here use the montage preset for a smooth effect. Repeat the same steps for the second video in the same way, and also use the montage preset in the Speed Ramping panel to maintain consistency and ensure both clips have a smooth and uniform transition effect. Then, click the full screen icon to preview the video more clearly. Move to the beginning of the video, then click play to watch the result. Check the result. The reverse transition in Filmora has been successfully created.